word export and export. So let's say this is noun and this is verb. Java also use this word in exam question. I think around 2000. So it means that export as a noun, the position of the stress is X or here. Then so we have the stress position on the first syllable. Then export as a verb, we have the stress position on the second syllable. So by this, it gives us a semantic meaning or the definition of these two words. One, this means consignment or goods. Then this means activity. Activity involves a transfer of goods. That is export. So you can see that by this definition we mean a verb, by this definition we mean a product. So all you need to know is to identify the grammatical class first. So your ability to identify the grammatical class will enable you to know the meaning of that word. Then knowing the stress position of that word. Then we can also have the word subject. Then subject. So if subject is a noun, then our stress position will be where? The first, because it's a word of two syllables. Then if subject is also a verb, the position of stress will be on what? The second syllable. Yes. Then subject as a verb means what? Person or people. Subject as a verb means maltreatment. Yes, subject. When you subject somebody. Are you getting it? So, different meaning. Then we can also have the word insults. I think you have used this word too in exam. Insults. Insult as a noun and insult as a verb. One can say, look at this expression. So the insult here, is it a noun or verb? She rejected the offer because she considered the pay as insult. It's what? No. So that is what I see. So insult. So that's why a particular English word can function as a verb and at the same time function as a noun. Depend on the contextual usage, depend on the sentence, and so on and so forth. The same is applicable to the word wash. Maybe in an English class, if an English master or mistress will ask a student that, what is the meaning of the word wash? An intelligent English student will say, I don't know the meaning of the word wash. An intelligent English student will say, I don't know. Why? Because the word can function as a noun it can function as a verb, it can also function as adjective. Tonight we are going to watch the match between Nigeria and Cameroon. The watch there is what? My dad gave me a wristwatch as a gift. The watch there is what? You dare not come to a house when we have a watchdog called Bingo. Adjective. Tell you the type of dog. So, a particular English word can function as a verb, can also function as a noun, can also function as adjective. That's why contextual usage matters. So the context of the usage tells you the meaning of the word, tells you the grammatical class of the word. That's what emphatic stress tries to achieve. You have your construct, and that word is noun. Are you getting it? The noun. So this noun word must construct another noun, that it must go in exchange of another noun word. Then if it is an adjectival word, it must also be in exchange of another adjectival word. Then if it is verb, I get me, verb will also go in exchange of another verb. That's what we are saying. Under emphatic stress, because it is used to lay emphasis, particularly in showing of constructs. So it would be very wrong for a candidate to exchange noun word with verb, because it belongs to different class entirely. Then it is also very wrong for a candidate to exchange adjectival word with noun word, because it belongs to different class. Then it will also be very wrong for a candidate to exchange verb word with adjectival word. A noun goes with noun word. A verb goes with verb. An adjective goes with adjective. Constructs. For example, let's consider example. Let's say nature of what we call emphatic stress. So now a particular word is capitalized. So now what we just need to identify the class of this word, and the class of this word is what? Noun. So we have to look for another noun in construct, that is construct opposite but belongs to a noun. Another word. So you couldn't now say the John tear the paper. We are not looking at picture, so it cannot be. Do you understand? Did Musa tear the picture? Why? The answer would be Musa, because Musa is in the same class. Yeah, it's opposite, constructive, but also in the same class, which is, this is a noun, proper noun, and this is also a noun, proper noun. So this will not be our answer. So this cannot be our answer because we are not looking at verb, said, because talk is a verb, said is a verb, buy is a verb. So we are not looking at verb, we are looking at these constructs. So that is the nature of this type of to show construct. The construct will be of the same Why is it blue? Yeah, because who is a relative pronoun. It means human being. Pronoun, yes, pronoun is used instead of a noun.